Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about adders. Adder is a logic circuit that is used to add binary digits. We know two types of adders. First is half adder, second is full adder. Half adder adds two binary digits, whereas full adder adds three binary digits. Now, binary addition we have learned earlier also. When we add two binary digits like this, 0 plus 0 gives 0, 0 plus 1 gives 1, 1 plus 0 gives 1, and 1 plus 1 gives 0, and 1 is the carry. So carry is also coming over here. So both the adders will give one carry bit and one sum bit. This is the sum bit, so carry bit will be 0. This is a sum bit, so carry bit will be 0. This is the sum bit, so carry bit will be 0. This is the sum bit, so carry bit will be 0. When we add three binary digits, 3 0 will become 0 and carry is also 0. 2 zeros and 1. 1 is the sum and carry is 0. It can be in any combination, 1 0 0 or 0 1 0. But when there are two ones, it will be 1 and 0. 1 will be carry and 0 will be the sum digit. And when there are three ones, it will be 1 1. This is how binary addition works. So first of all, we will be talking about half adder. Half adder is a logic circuit which is used to add two binary digits. The logic circuit designed for half adder contains two outputs. One is for sum and the other is for carry. I am drawing the truth table showing truth table for half adder. Now, as I have already told you that it is used to add two bits, so I will be taking two variables. The combinations I am writing over here, 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1. Here I am writing the carry part and here I am writing the sum. Carry will be 0 0, sum will be, carry will be 0, sum will be 0. It will be 1 0 1 and 1 0. See, it is exactly the same as this. 0 1 1 0. This is the sum and it will be 0 0 0 and 1. This will be the carry. This is how we make the truth table of half adder. Now the logic diagram of half adder will look like this. If I use the XOR gates A and B, when passed through the XOR gate, we get sum, that is equal to A XOR B, which can be written as A bar B plus A B bar. And when A and B are passed through the AND gates, we get carry, that is A and B. This is the first form in which the diagram can be drawn, the logic diagram. The second form is this, A bar B, that means A bar ये रहा and B, this is B. इसको AND किया तो ये आ गया A bar B, and then A B bar, this is A, this is B, pass through the NOT gate, you get, and से pass किया, you get A B bar, and then pass them together through the OR gate and you get the sum. The carry will be the same. Carry कैसे बनेगा? A and B pass through the AND gate and you get carry. This is the sum, this is the carry. These are two ways to draw the logic diagram. The first way is using the XOR gate. XOR मतलब sum is what? A XOR B. और जोर का फॉर्मूला ये होता है a बार b प्लस ए बी बार. We have learned this earlier also. And carry is a dot b. Either you can draw it in this way or you can draw it in this way. Both are correct. Now we will be talking about full adder. Full adder is a logic circuit which is used to add 3 binary digits. It again results in a sum and a carry. So I'm first drawing the truth table of full adder. It will take 3 bits. So 4 zeros and 4 ones. This is the input combination here. For B it will be like this, for C it will be like this. Next I will write carry, next I will write sum. तीनों जीरोस को ऐड जब करते हैं तो 0 0 आता है. एक बार 1 आएगा तो सम में 1 आएगा. अगेन 1. Here it will be 1 0. 2 1s आ गए देखिए. 0 1. Here it will be 1 0. Here it will be 1 0. Here it will be 1 1. This is the truth table of full adder. Now the figure I am drawing it here. A and B pass through XOR A, B, C all are to be passed through XOR like this, and you get sum. And for carry, what is the relation for carry? It will be like this. This is sum, then AB will be AND, then so for carry AB plus BC, then we have to do BC, then we have to do C and A together. This is C, and then OR them together. And you get, this is carry. The most simplified expression is AB plus BC plus CA. This is the expression for carry. You can compare with this and check whether it is coming as correct or not. So these are the truth tables for half adder and full adder. I hope all of you must have understood. Thank you, children.